Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Roblox support ticket system. Alright, so let's begin. The ticket system is super useful when you've got a problem, so let me guide you through how you can go and use it. So first of all, you need to scroll right to the bottom of Roblox. That's right to the bottom of the page, and you'll see in the footer a load of different options. What you need to do is go and click on Help. You'll then be taken to the Roblox Help page. And what you then need to do is go and sort of see if Roblox can go and solve the problem without contacting their support. So let's say we had a problem with our Roblox account and hear that we have forgotten our password. Then Roblox will go and explain how the problem may be able to be solved. And if you need more help, then you can go and contact support. So what I can then do is go and click on Contact Support here. You then go and get taken to the actual ticket form where we can start filling out our information. The email address is super important because that's how Roblox will actually get in touch with you and help solve your problem. Then what you can do is go and fill out the issue details, then just go and describe the issue here as well. After you've done that, you can go and click Continue. After you've submitted that, then you're going to go and receive an email. It's important to note the first email is an automated message letting you know we've received your request. You need to go and wait for the actual reply from Roblox. The time this will take will vary, but this will be a more specific response to the initial automated email, which you just need to go and wait for. That's it. You can then go and reply to this if they need any further information. So that's basically how you can use the Roblox support ticket system. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.